Hi friends, welcome to Tech Trends. In this video, we can see how to monitor the temperature and humidity using Arduino IoT Cloud. Let's get started. The components required for this experiment are Node MCU board, temperature and humidity sensor, connecting wires and connecting cable. Now connect the temperature and humidity sensor with the Node MCU board. Connect the plus pin with 3 volt and connect the out pin with pin D4 and connect the minus pin with ground pin. Now let's see the connection. This is our circuit connection. Now go to this site. Now create an account in this site and log into the site. Now once you logged in, go to Things page and click Create Thing. Here we need to create 3 variables, one for temperature and another one for humidity, and the third one is the message. Click Add Variable and enter the variable name as temperature. Now select the variable type as temperature and click Add Variable button. Now we can add the second variable, humidity. Enter the variable name as humidity and select the variable type, relative humidity. Then again click on the Add Variable button and add this variable. Now add the third variable, message. Here select the variable type as character string. Now we added 3 variables. Now we need to select the device. Here we need to set up a new device. Click this set up a third party device and select your device model. The device which I am using is Node MCU, so I am selecting this model. Now click Continue and enter any name. You can give any name. Now click on the Next button and you will get a device ID and secret key. Copy this device ID and secret key in a notepad or download this file. Now click on the Continue button and click Done. Now we have created the device. Now add your network credentials. Click on this Configure button and enter your Wi-Fi username and password. And also enter the secret key which we copied now. This is our secret key and paste this secret key and click Save. Now we created 3 variables and we created the device and entered the network credentials. Now go to Dashboard and click Build Dashboard. Here we can give the name for this dashboard, Temperature and Humidity Monitoring. And then click Add button and select the widget Gauge. And for this widget we can give the name as temperature. And link the temperature variable which we created before to this gauge. Click this link variable button. And one more thing we can do, we can give the name for this thing also. Now go to Dashboard and click the dashboard. Now click the Edit button since we created this before and link the variable. So link this variable temperature and click the link variable button and click Done. Now add another one gauge for humidity and give the name as humidity and click link variable and link the humidity variable to this gauge. Now click done. Now we can add two chart to monitor the temperature and humidity readings. Click add button and select this chart widget. For this also we are giving the name as temperature and link the temperature variable. Now similarly add another one chart widget for humidity. Again click the link variable and link the humidity variable to this gauge, to this chart. We can arrange the widget here. Now we need to add one more widget for the message. For that select the messenger widget. Here link the message variable to this messenger widget. Now click done. Now go to things page and click this temperature and humidity monitor thing. So this is our variables and click on the sketch tab and click open full editor. This is our source code and here we need to install the Arduino agent to upload the program directly to the Node MCU board. Click this learn more and click install the agent. Now click the start button and click download for Windows 64-bit. Now double click on this MSI and install the Arduino agent. Now we have installed the Arduino agent. Now click next and click go to web editor. Now this is our source code and here we need to add few code to make this project complete. Now I am adding these lines of code which I already prepared. This is our secret key and the thing ID, and here this is our Wi-Fi username, password and the device secret key. Now click verify and save. Now the code is saved. Now select the board from this drop down and also select the port and click this arrow button and upload the program to the Node MCU board. Now the program is uploaded and we can check the output. To check the output, go to dashboard and click this dashboard. Now we can see the temperature and humidity readings in the gauge as well as in the chart. You can see the readings vary based on the temperature. We can also check the output in the mobile using the app IoT Remote. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video and subscribe to TechTrends channel. If you have any clarification, please post in the comments. Thank you.